Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're so welcome. My name is Ade and it means a lot to me that you're taking your time to watch this video. Thank you so much. So as you can see, I am loving this wig. I'm feeling myself in this wig, so please allow me. And this wig is actually 2 years. I just wanted to revamp it and show you guys, and it wasn't really looking like this before. Of course I revamped it, so it wasn't really looking like this. So I'm gonna show you guys how I turned it from looking all shabby and to this. Okay, come on, let's go. Let's not waste time. Okay, so this is the wig, okay? And I know, don't judge me, I know it's not clean, but we're about to change that, okay? So we're gonna do a deep clean. So I start off with the Tresemme. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, honestly. The Tresemme shampoo, and I just want to wash this hair deeply and thoroughly. Just give it a deep clean. Like, this hair is 2 years. So I just want to do justice, wash the lace, sweat and dirt and all of those things that, on the lace. Just want to get that clean. It doesn't matter. I can always, make it look good again. So I really, really needed to, get this wig out, take off the smell and just make it look clean in general. Okay, so now we are going to condition the hair, and I'm also using the same and this conditioner is actually good. Like, it actually makes the hair soft. I don't know if you've ever tried it before. If you have, put it in the comment section below. I want to know what you think. If it works for you, just leave it down in the comment section below. And I just had to comb this hair out because I didn't want to wait till it's dry. One, because I was gonna egg dry this hair, which you're not gonna be seeing a video of that. I don't think that is possible. So I dried this hair, but I just wanted to comb it out. It was just very tangled. I just wanted to get it fixed first before we air dry it. Okay, now it's done. Okay, and I just wanted to stay off heat and not use heat for this. Okay, so now I'm trying to make sure this wig is fit and just stuck to my head, because we don't want any wind blowing. Okay, that's not the goal. So now I'm trying to get a pattern, and I tried the middle pattern. I feel like I've been doing that lately, like too much of that lately, and I tried the other part. I still was just trying to see which one works for me, which one. Oh my god, bless you, baby girl. Like, I don't know, I've been doing a lot of sneezing anyways. I'm just like that. Too much allergies. So now I tried that pattern and I kind of liked it, but I still wanted to do the other part, see, just try it out. I felt like this pattern was really good for me. Like, this was the one, but I still wanted to try the other one. Yeah, I wanted to try the other part as well, just to see, so it's not like I'm biased or something, So, but I already made up my mind. I already made up my mind, so I just was not really feeling that part like that. So we went for the other one. Yeah, we went for the other one. Okay, so now after the pattern, I'm gonna use the olive oil grip gel to just lay my edges. Honestly, I just do it. I don't know why I do it. I feel like, yeah, I mean it's important to lay your edges, right? And this is a closure, and I know I don't really need to do too much. I just like to do it, so bear with me, okay? And now I'm gonna use the olive oil super old, and this is what is really gonna lay like the edge, like the closure. It's gonna lay the closure, and I'm really excited. I'm getting this, like I'm really doing good so far. Like usually I'm always very impatient, as I don't dry my glue with a hair dryer. I just go straight ahead, and it just doesn't glue my lace down properly. But right now I'm really patient. I'm trying to do this for you guys, okay? So please watch the video. So now I see that it's really like this method, me being patient, using a hair dryer, doing it the proper way, it's actually getting the job done. So, and I'm glad I'm doing that, okay? So yeah, I'm really happy that I really got that. And usually I'll just, you know what, I don't really care, especially that part there. Like I really don't care. I just wanted to let this be perfect, you know, so that anybody watching this, you know that I tried. Okay. Okay, so now I'm using this styling foam. I'm gonna leave all what I use in the description box below. And I know this video is really not new to some people, but like I'm just doing it for the sake of some that really just want to watch my video. Okay, so I'm just trying to get the feel of me having flat wig, because the beauty of this is for the hair to be flat. Okay, it needs to be flat. Now we move to straightening the hair. I know that I really don't need to show you guys how to straighten my hair, but I still, you know, just show you guys. And I'm using that oil just to, you know, protect the hair and make it a little bit, you know, shiny and not too dry. Even if you don't want to make it, you do not want to put too much oil on the hair, because then I don't think it's going to straighten properly. It's going to straighten, but like it's going to start freezing, if you get what I'm saying. Like I don't know how to explain it. Okay, so I'm straightening my hair now, and I guess we'll be right back, okay, when I'm done straightening my hair. Okay, now we are done with straightening. Now we need to flatten the hair. We need to make it flat. Like I said earlier, the beauty of this hair is to make it flat. The beauty of any wig, I think, is to make it flat, because it's not gonna look good when it's bumpy and high. We need to make it flat, and that is when your hot comb, your mousse or whatever comes in play. This is when you need it, okay? And I'm really trying my best to just, you know, make sure that this hair is really flat. I hope I was able to do that, honestly. And yeah, I'm just trying to, you know, just get it done. At this point, your girl is just tired. I just want to go and just look good, feel good. Like, I really think I've done something. I just want to like put my makeup on, like bam, and just look good. You feel me? Like, we don't have time to just waste. You get what I'm saying? I really just wanted to show you guys how I achieved this look, like just revamping this wig. It's an old wig, and I just wanted to show you guys how I, you know, achieved it and just made it look clean and good. I know your baby girl is still not tired. I'm still trying to lay this, you know, just make it flat. I know it's like at this point I'm obsessed. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Just let me know what you think in the comment section below. And before I go, I have a giveaway just to celebrate you guys, to appreciate you guys for, you know, sticking with me. It's really encouraging, and I just hope you're following me on my Instagram so you know the details. Yeah, that's just it. Just follow me on my Instagram to know the details, okay? So I guess that's it. I'll see you guys next week. All right, bye. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I'm sure that you were like, okay, this girl just went from 0 to like 100. Like I told you, I don't disappoint, I'm telling you. Honestly, thank you guys for stopping by to watch this video. It means a lot to me. Please don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. We already know that already. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. At least let's reach 80 subscribers. Like we are on 77 or 76. Let's reach 80 for the end of the year. Like let's just celebrate. So please, you can pass this or share this video wherever. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That is gonna get us to 80, okay? And don't forget to leave a comment. What do you think of this hair? I'll see you guys next week. Bye.